First, introduction. The address is just data. In the last lesson, we established that every variable, like integer age equals 30, has a unique memory address. That address is simply a large number, usually represented in hexadecimal. The key idea of this lesson is, if an address is just a number, we should be able to store it in a variable. Second, what is a pointer? A pointer is a special type of variable in C whose value can be the memory address of another variable. A regular integer variable stores an integer value, 30. A pointer variable stores an integer's address, 0x04. This is why pointers are sometimes called address variables. They point to where the data is stored in memory. Third, declaring a pointer the asterisk. Since a pointer is a variable, it needs to be declared. When declaring a pointer, you must use the asterisk operator. General syntax. Data type asterisk pointer name. The type is crucial. The data type in the declaration does not specify the pointer's own type. All pointers store memory addresses. Instead, it tells the compiler, this pointer points to a variable of this type. Integer asterisk PTR number. A pointer that points to an integer variable. Char asterisk PTR char. A pointer that points to a char variable. Float asterisk PTR price. A pointer that points to a float variable. This type information is vital because it tells the compiler how many bytes to read or write at the stored address, e.g., 4 bytes for an integer, 1 byte for a char. Fourth, code example. Declaring and initializing pointers. Let's look at how we declare and initialize a pointer in context. We will use the addressive operator ampersand for the first time, as it is mandatory for initializing pointers. Fifth, summary. The pointer's role. The pointer variable ptrage has its own address in memory, just like any other variable. But the content of ptrage is the address of age. This indirection, storing the location instead of the value, is the core concept of pointers. We use the addressive operator, ampersand, to find this address. Our next lesson is 6.03. Pointers. Addressive, ampersand, and dereference, asterisk, operators.